YouTube, and welcome to my channel. In this episode, we're going to learn how to draw one of the most common and adorable pets there is. We're going to learn how to draw a cat. This is my assistant, Inky.
Happy Saturday, everyone!
Well, first of all, it's not Saturday, and second of all, what's with those ears?
Didn't you know I was part cat?
No, I did not know that. Anyway, you want to get started with our drawing, Inky?
Categorically.
Then let's go! The first thing that you want to draw in order to draw your cat is a line up here that goes like this, and comes down, and goes down like that on the other side. Then you do a line here, and another one of those ears. Then it goes down like that, and the same thing on the opposite side. And two big circles here and there. Then you do little circles inside. With even tinier circles in the middle. Then you do a circle like this. And fill in the middle.
Do you know what cats eat for breakfast?
What, Inky?
Rice Krispies. I'm just kidding.
You can also do eyelashes too.
Did you know cats spend 70% of their lives sleeping?
No, I didn't.
No wonder I'm so tired all the time. I think I'll take a cat nap.
Then you do a little nose here, and a mouth like this. And, last but not least, whiskers. Then you're going to do a line that goes down like that, and up again, to make the tail. You're also going to do a line down here, that results in a line, and another line, and another line that makes the paw. Do the same thing on the other side. Then you do a little line here. You can do some fur here. And another paw. Another paw here too. You're almost done with the cat. The next thing that you're going to do is claws on each foot. They look like little black teardrop shapes, and you do one on each foot of each paw.
Those look positively perfect.
Last but not least, you can add detail to things like the tail, the back, or the head. Then you're done with your cat. I'm going to color mine in time lapse. And that's all for this cat. What do you think, Inky?
I think it's meowvelous.
Well, if anybody has any suggestions for what I should draw next, please email me at drawingwithinky@gmail.com. Thank you. Bye.
Meow. And keep on